cool start this morning, 32 degrees. Better late than never, Brian. Finally hit freezing nearly 2.5 weeks later than our average first freeze, which is October 7th. But we hit it just before sunrise this morning out at the airport. We will rebound nicely by this afternoon. Temperatures climbing back into the mid-60s here in the Front Range and across Eastern Plains, 50s and 60s up in the high country. Here in Denver, topping out at 67 for your high on this Friday and taking you to Douglas County. We'll see temperatures climb to the mid to upper 60s as well, stretching from Castle Pines up through Stonegate and into Parker with 66 for a high. Football Friday, Douglas County taking on Legend at Legend. Kickoff at 7 p.m. 62 degrees, so it'll be feeling like fall this evening. But by the fourth quarter, there'll be that chill to the air, 54 degrees. So a jacket would be a good thing to bring along. And we will see very cool temperatures out across the Eastern Plains and to our south tonight. Frost advisory is in place for Colorado Springs through Pueblo, out across the Eastern Plains from Ray through Burlington, Kit Carson and Eads, where we could see temperatures drop to 32 degrees. On the satellite and radar, mostly sunny skies, a very quiet picture statewide. And on the Futurecast, we're expecting this to continue throughout the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, that sunshine and dry weather stays with us statewide. Soak it up if you're a fan of the warmer weather, because we will see big changes come our way next week. So your out the door forecast for your Saturday, temperatures rebound back into the low 70s by the afternoon, but it will be a cool start to the day. By 8 a.m., 42 degrees. So if your kids have any soccer games early in the morning, definitely want that extra layer. But by the afternoon, it'll be shorts and t-shirt weather. And then looking ahead to Sunday, we'll see temperatures near record breaking as we climb into the upper 70s and low 80s here in the Front Range and across the Eastern Plains, 60s up in the high country and mid 70s out across the western slope. On the super 7-day forecast on Monday, the weather stays very warm, 80 degrees, but it's the warm before the storm. On Tuesday, we drop to 57 degrees. First alert weather day is possible both Tuesday and Wednesday for that change coming our way. On Sunday, if you are headed to the Broncos game, it should be a beautiful afternoon. At kickoff, 79 degrees. We want that sunscreen and the shades. By the fourth quarter, 71 degrees, mostly sunny skies. So just beautiful weather out there on Sunday. But then that change does come in Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll see temperatures drop and a good chance to potentially see our first snow of the season here in the Denver metro area. Taking a look at the Futurecast, it'll start out as rain, but as we see those temperatures slide Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, that's when we could start to see that rain change over to snow along the I-70 corridor. So you may be waking up to some flakes on the ground by Wednesday morning as we see that system pass through. Looking ahead to Halloween, 53 degrees. We start drying out, but that chill stays in the air. So for trick-or-treating on Thursday, it will be a cool one. We're expecting temperatures to fall into the 30s overnight. So it might be one of those Halloweens where you have to put the coat over the costume, Brian, as we see those temperatures fall. But the good news is it's looking dry, at least on Halloween. So